Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to update the Shopify Dawn theme. All right, let's begin. First, log into your Shopify account and go to the sidebar menu. Click on Online Store. This is where all your themes are managed. Here you'll see your current theme, including its name and version. If Dawn is up to date, you're good to go. But if it isn't, you'll need to update it. To do that, click Import Theme and then select Visit Theme Store from the dropdown. In the theme store, use the search bar to type in Dawn. This will bring up the latest version of the theme. Click Try Theme, and it will be added to your theme library automatically. This saves you from downloading and uploading files manually. Once added, you can preview it to make sure everything looks and works correctly. Keeping your theme updated ensures you have the latest features, bug fixes, and security improvements. So that's basically how you can update the Shopify Dawn theme. That's it for this video. Thanks.